How to stack astrophotography images in Siril. My last video on this was 3 years ago and much has changed, so let's get into it. First, let's organize our files. If you're using Windows, go to Pictures and create 4 folders: Lights, Darks, Biases, and Flats. Then you want to move your light frames to lights, flats to flats, darks to darks, and biases to biases. If you don't have any of these files, watch out for the next video where I'll teach you how to stack without darks or biases or flats. So once you put all the files in their place, go to Siril, go to Scripts, and press OSC Preprocessing. Siril will now take some time to process your images.
A few moments later.
Now your stack image should be in the pictures. Found this helpful? Please subscribe. Want to support my work? Please consider becoming a member. I'll see you in the next video.